Hi, Chiba. Okay, guys, Beast Mode here, and we are gonna be doing Weird Noise Part 3, the competition. So what we're gonna do, and it's Birdie and Scott here. What we're gonna do is, so Scott's gonna do a weird noise first, and then I am going to do the second weird noise, and we're gonna rate out of the first round who did the weirdest voice. Then out of 3 rounds, we're gonna combine up our totals and see who had the best round. And we can't like just do bad scores just so we can win. Okay.
Wait, is it based on 100?
No, let's do 10.
Okay.
Okay, Scott, you can do your weird noise first.
Yeah.
I'll give that 6. No, 7.
Yeah.
Let's go 7. Okay. Here, record 9. And mine.
6.5.
You can't do halves.
8. No, 7.
7. Okay, so we're all tied up at 7, and it's Scott's turn, round 2. Well, no. How about since it's tied up at 7, we do another round. We do like another weird noise. 4. Well, that was dumb. You were just like. 7. Oh, Jamie Preston. Heck yeah. I'll send him over. By the way, do the twins still have room? Never mind, okay? Okay, so I gave yours a 7 again. But you can't give me a little. Okay. Yay!
6.
6.
That's old, dude.
Okay, here. So Scott wins the first round.
How many rounds are we doing?
3.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go. 9. Just because you were really weird when you get it, okay?
Oh,
no!
I
Just about fell.
dropped it. 9.
Okay.
Oh, now we have to go again.
8. Okay, and you can't just do bad score.
No. 7.
7, really? You're just doing that so you can win. Okay, Scott wins round 2. So doesn't that mean that you win?
Yeah. Okay, guys, I won, and this has been Beast Mode.
And we are out.